Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to save a Telegram audio message on your Android phone using the Share feature and Zarchiver. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Go to the chat where you received the voice message or audio file. Once you find the audio message, tap and hold on it. A small menu will appear at the top of the screen. From the options at the top, tap on the Share icon. It usually looks like three small circles connected by lines. When you tap Share, a list of apps will appear. Scroll through the list and find Zarchiver. Tap on it. Zarchiver will now open and ask where you want to save the file. You can choose any folder you like. For example, you can choose the Download folder or create a new folder. To make a new folder, tap the three dots at the top right and select Create. Then name the folder and tap OK. Next, Zarchiver will ask you to name the file. Type any name you want, like Voice1 or Telegram_audio, and then tap OK. The file is now saved to the folder you selected. To open the file, stay in Zarchiver and go to the folder where you saved it. You will see the file with the name you just gave it. Tap on the file and Zarchiver will show a list of apps you can use to open it. Choose your music player or audio player, and the audio will start playing. Now the Telegram voice message is saved as a file on your phone. You can open it anytime from Zarchiver or from your regular file manager. Thanks for watching.